We're here in Collegetown Center. We're on the 6th floor landing. You can see the elevator is on our right, and I wanted to show you the location of this apartment that we'll visit, which is apartment number 620. So that's right across from the elevator. Let's go on in. This is a studio. This is a regular rectangle style studio. We are on the north side of the building. We're on the top floor of this 6th floor elevator building, and you can see, like our other studio apartments, we will enter and the kitchen is on our left. You can see the refrigerator, the sink, the dishwasher, the microwave, the stove and oven, and or our assorted cabinets and drawers. In this even number studio like this, number 620, you can see this little bit of space across from the kitchen. I think that's a great spot to add your own additional furnishing, like a bookshelf, a shoe rack, or a small narrow table. Let's go into the apartment. Our closet is on the left. We'll take a look in there. So we have your standard hanging space in there. As we go into the apartment, let's take a look at the bathroom, which is on the right. Same bathroom that we've seen in the other units. So there's that tub shower with a sliding door. You can see the vanity under the sink that does open for more storage. The toilet, and there is a small cabinet on the wall, and we have some towel racks as well. All of the bathrooms do have a fan and the light and the mirror. As we go into the apartment, it's always the same furnishings. You can see, starting from the left, we have that dining table and chair. There's the dresser, the regular full-size bed, the tall bookshelf, and that desk and chair. You can see over on the right wall next to the bookshelf, the heater. So as we've discussed before, you don't want to block your heater. You always want to keep that open so your heat can circulate in the winter. You can see your air conditioning unit under the window. You've got the mini blinds a little bit down, so you can see all the big windows have the mini blinds that you can raise or lower. They are privacy blinds, they're not room darkening blinds. We are on the 6th floor, so we're pretty high up above the street. You can see over to the left, we get a little bit of valley view over that way. You can see down below onto Dryden Road, so we've got great people watching. Over to the right is one of those 5-window studios. You can see they're the larger unit, so they stick out a little bit. We are just below the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, which is the center of our vibrant Collegetown neighborhood. We're here at Collegetown Center in a regular north rectangle studio, number 620, on the top floor of this 6th floor building. We are located at 151 Dryden Road, and we are just 1 block from campus.